So guys, we're just going to show you how to do a join here. Use the row finders, use the small one first and then the big one. This just parts the fibres exactly on the row of the manufactured carpet. Then you get your row cutter with your blade set on the one side. You'll cut the other side with the other bit, with the other blade. And it's got that beautiful edge there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to seal that edge with the glue gun. And we'll seal the other edge as well. So it just stops any of them fibres getting damaged or pulled on by a vacuum or anything. Just gets it absolutely beautiful. It's like an indestructible join. We'll put a tape down now underneath as well, which is for the cool glide. So that's all set up, the tape is underneath it, and then we'll get our cool glide machine and set it to T for the side on low. Press start, and what this does is it sends radio waves through the carpet and they react with the tape and melt the hot melt adhesive on the tape. You got no danger of burning yourself or the top of the carpet because, well, it simply it doesn't actually get hot, the base, it beams the waves through it. Now this, I've taken the T off now for the edge for turn mode, which only gives you half the power of the cool glide, and I've put it on low on the actual full from arrow to arrow. I've got my seam weight there, so I'll just move it along, so keeping it in line with the next arrow. And then move my little seam weight along as well. Just helps it cool. I like to give it a little roll once it's cool, just to like make sure that everything's pressed in properly. Across there, you just have to reset it a few seconds, 7 seconds or so each time. Now I can see there's one little bit that I will just need to nap off. Let's do that on T mode again for the edge. It's quite a good join, but I can see just there behind my roll a little bit that I need to get my napping shears on. So unfortunately I didn't put that bit in the video, but can't let all the trade secrets out there, can we? But for all intensive purposes, that is a very good join. And it will take a real good beating, whether that be the vacuum or just foot traffic. Absolutely solid. It's actually stronger than the carpet with a tape on it now. So there you can see, absolutely beautiful. And that little bit there I'll nap off, and this is the finished product, guys. Can you see it? Where's it gone? There you go.